waste of days having to heartbreak away.
To another video. Today I'm showing you guys my morning makeup routine. Start with the primer. If I find my primer, I'm gonna use this sheer moisturizer. I'm use about 2 pumps. Oh, I forgot I have a mirror. I have a mirror. So. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Touche Eclat Blur Primer. That's what it looks like. And I got this from a sample at Sephora. It has 24 karat gold in it. It's amazing. Should I use my brush? Sure. So I'm going to be using my e.l.f. foundation brush from e.l.f. I got this at Ulta. This is supposed to be white, but I used it. Kind of like this. Actually, I like this one. But I'm just listening to the radio because I like radio. So apparently Google Home can play Spotify playlist. It's here. I'm kind of blend that in. I'm using the Josie Marin Argan Creamy Concealer Crayon. It kind of looks like this. What you're seeing is I normally do this for my dance makeup. But I just do that every day, so. Put it on my nose. Sorry for that sound. Side of my nose. Chin. Any acne I have, penny pimples I have. I don't know where else. So. And blend that in. And I'll finish it when I'm done. So once this is all blended in, I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. And I'm gonna be using my Clinique Super Balanced Makeup Tint. I have to get more of this. Oh geez, running out. Makes me sad. These are my 2 favorite concealers. This one's running out. Okay, my Laura Mercer setting powder to set this. Okay, so now we are just going to put in the cap. I'm going to bake my face. So would I like grab some of my beauty blender? And then we'll be back when I'm putting everything on spots I concealed. Guys, I am back from baking, so now we just put on my CG Smoothers by CoverGirl. And we're gonna leave this for the whole video, the loose powder, the baking powder from the Laura Merciful. We're gonna brush it off after. This one's gone. I have like a drawer of my makeup, so that's my primer. So I'm using the Smashbox. And okay. Under my supposed to give like a cooling effect, which I do not like. So tingly. Okay. Once we're done that, I'm starting with my makeup. So, we're gonna start off with this Sephora. No, we are not. I'm gonna start off with my Ellen Tracy 12 Eyeshadow Palette in Nudity. And we are going to do a little brush. I don't know where I got this from. We're going to do a kind of like this color on my lids. once we have put this, then we're going to go into this shade. It's like a gold color. And have this little gold color. Now I'm going to use this brush. Put it in the center and kind of blend that. I have fucking no idea what the fuck's happening. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Now I'm going to have this brush again and grab like a light color. Put that on the inner corner. What if I'm eyeliner? I'm using the Grande liner, Lash Boosting Eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna grab something like even, but I don't care. Okay, so now we are gonna work on blush, highlighter, contour, that good stuff. So, I am using my Cheeky Trio. Okay, so we are gonna grab this. Before I'm gonna let the eyeliner dry, and then we're gonna go into mascara. Using a blush. And shade, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, then we're gonna contour. I'm kind of contour. I'm going highlighter. I'm doing this matte highlighter brush from e.l.f. I really like this. Go down the center of my nose. My cheekbones. And then I'm using my other highlighter. Rainbow Glow highlighter. I got this from Ulta for like $10. My eyebrows look so dark. Just do my eyebrows. I'm going to top of this.
If you're tired of looking at your cellulite or loose skin anywhere on your body and you want to feel
What's this? Cover girl. And curl my eyelashes, I like to go up with eyelash curler. Like I do this. About 30 seconds.
What I want when